everyone. Okay, today I'm going to explain you about the case studies. We know, right? For the CPC exam, Certified Professional Coder exam, from case studies are for 10 marks. You'll get case studies from 91 to 100, total 10 marks. Okay, the case studies are very long. How to do the case studies? Remember this. This is a case one, operating report, the pre-operative diagnosis. The patient came with skin cancer on the scalp. Post-operative diagnosis also came, skin cancer on the scalp. Okay, while we are reading the case studies, you must and should be careful with operating procedure. Watch only operating procedure. See, what is the operating procedure here? What the doctor done? Okay, Mohs micrographic surgery for the removal of skin cancer on the scalp, 3 stages, requiring 6 tissue blocks on each stage. Doctor, patient came with the skin cancer on scalp. Doctor performed MMS. Mohs micrographic surgery. We know, right? While we are doing the Mohs micrographic surgery, we need to see anatomical site. The anatomical site is scalp. The next, we need to see the number of stages. What are the number of stages? The number of stages are 3 stages, right? Total 3 stages. He mentioned that total 3 stages requiring, and each, next we need to see number of tissue blocks. We know, right, the guideline for the each stage 5 tissue blocks was included. For the additional tissue blocks, for the number of tissue block 17315. Okay, depend on anatomical side. Okay, either wherever it may be the anatomical side, you have to give for the additional tissue block, you have to give the 17315. Okay, we have to see the 17315 for number of tissue blocks. See here, what is the anatomical site here? Scalp. Number of stages, okay, 3 stages, and tissue blocks. Each stage has 6 tissue blocks. First stage 6, and second stage 6, and third stage. Additional tissue block, 5 blocks was included on each stage. The additional tissue blocks. In the first stage we have additional one tissue blocks. In the second stage is also we are having 1 tissue blocks. In the third stage is also we are having 1 tissue block. Total additional tissue blocks are 3 tissue blocks. We'll show you in the book. Okay, go to the book. Mohs micrographic surgery 10,000 series. Mohs micrographic surgery 10,000 series. See the anatomical site first. See here, Mohs 17311 and 17313, the most anatomical site codes. See here, trunk, arms, and legs 17313. See here in the 17311, head, neck, hands, feet, genitalia. Head, scalp is present on the head, right? Which means 17311. The additional, how many stages? It is for first stage up to 5 tissue blocks. Okay, in first stage we are having 1 tissue block additionally. Then we have additionally 2 stages, 17312 plus 17312 for the second stages and third stage. We are already having additional tissue blocks in second stage and third stage. How can we write these? Okay, 17311. We can write like this: 17311 plus 17312 into 2 times. 17312 is a 2 times. Then we have additional tissue blocks for the each additional tissue block, any location, additional tissue blocks. Okay, 17315. Additional tissue blocks are 3. Yes or no? We are having 3 additional tissue blocks. See here, what is the answer? 17311 and 17315. It is a wrong answer. 17311 and 17312 into 2 and 17315 into 3. That will be the correct answer. Okay, likewise, you can do all the case studies. While you are doing the case studies, remember this. First, read the operating procedure and go to the book. Okay, such according with the codes. If you want any doubt related to the procedure, please read all the procedure. The patient was brought to the hospital to definitive treatment was stable, and he was brought to the operating room. It was decided to remove the skin cancer on scalp. Doctor performed the MMS surgery with the 6 tissue blocks. In the each stage has in 3 stages. He performed in the 3 stages. Each stage having 6 tissue blocks. I will do you the second case study. Okay, remember this. From the case studies are from 10,000, the surgery 10,000 intake ventilator system, you will get 1 case study. 20,000 1 case study. 30, okay, you will get 1 case study. 40, you will get 1 case study. 50, you will get 1 case study. 60, you will get 1 case study. 6 case studies are from surgery. The remaining, okay, 70, 80, 90, you will get 1 case study. Radiology, lab and pathology, medicine. Then remaining 3 case studies are from ENM. See here, I'm going to do the second case study. The patient came with left knee medial meniscus tear and lateral meniscus tear. Left knee medial meniscus tear operating procedure. What is the procedure he performed? Left knee arthroscopy with medial and lateral meniscectomies. He performed meniscectomy. Okay, meniscus is a ligament which are present on the knee region. He performed meniscectomy, surgical removal of meniscus, medial and lateral. Okay, then directly go to the options 29880, 881, 882, and 883. 29. I'm going in to the book. What is the code? 29881, right? See. Yes, here we are. 29881, 882, 883, and 884. These codes we are having 880, I think so. 880, 881, 882, 883. Is that right? Yes. 88. See here how to read this code. Okay, it is arthroscopy knee surgical. Arthroscopy knee surgical. They are intended codes, right? More space. Arthroscopy knee surgical with meniscectomy medial and lateral. Okay, with meniscectomy medial or lateral. Meniscus repair medial or lateral. Meniscus repair medial and lateral. See here 2882, 29882, 29883 are deleted because why? Because they are meniscus repair. But the procedure was performed here. What is the procedure is performed here? The procedure was performed is meniscectomies, not meniscus repair. That's why I'm deleting 29882 and 29883. Now I am with 29880 and 881. Okay, remember this. Both medial and lateral meniscus are lateral meniscus are removed. Removed means take medial and lateral. Only medial or only lateral meniscus are removed means take 29881. 29881. In the question, both medial and lateral meniscus was removed, which means we need to code 29880. Answer will be 29880. Next, third question, case 3, operating report, preoperative diagnosis, atherosclerotic heart disease. There's a fat molecules in the heart. The doctor what the operating procedure? See here, operating procedure, coronary artery bypass grafting with 3 artery graft to the blocked coronary arteries. What is performing? CABG. What is meant by CABG? Coronary artery bypass graft by using which graft? 3 artery graft. 3 artery graft. We know, right? We have the codes for arterial graft, venous graft, and arterial plus venous graft. Show in the book 33533. Go to directly 33533. CABG processor. C. Coronary artery bypass using arterial graft. How many graft he said? 3 arterial graft. For the 3 arterial graft, the direct code is 33535. The answer 33535. C is the option. Then fourth case study, hypertonic adenoids, post-operative diagnosis, hypertrophy of adenoids, okay, excessive growth of adenoids. Doctor perform the adenoidectomy. Remember this. For this adenoidectomy or the tonsillectomy, we have to see both adenoids and tonsils and patient age. Okay, patient age is 12-year-old patient. Adenoids and tonsils both are not removed here, only adenoids removed. Those adenoids are the primary adenoids. Those adenoids are the primary adenoids. Okay, I will show in the book 42830. Go to the 42830. Read the first directly post. Okay, operative procedure. Then directly read the operative procedure, and directly go to the book while you are doing the case studies. 42820, right? See, tonsillectomy and adenoidectomy. No, doctor only perform here adenoidectomy itself. It is not the code 831. 831 is also adenoidectomy primary younger than 831, age 12 or over. Which means what is the age of the patient here? 12 years old. Okay, the answer will be D. 825 and 826 are also not correct because they are tonsillectomy codes. They are tonsillectomy codes. What it? Delete all the codes. Delete all the codes while you're doing the case studies. Then we are done with the 40,000 also case study. 50,000. Okay, cryptorchism Okay, the patient came with cryptorchism. Then procedure performed laparoscopic orchioscopy. Remember this while you're doing the case studies. Remember, okay, the procedure is a laparoscopic or open procedure. If it is a laparoscopic procedure, okay, the keywords are laparoscopic procedure. The keywords are like, what are the keywords? The keywords are like process or CO2 incubation. Okay, he will for the open procedure, which means for the open procedure they will use like incision. He made a factor. He made a long incision. Suppose, okay, the 3 mm incision, 2 mm incision will do because to insert the pipes, to insert the tubes, to insert the process. It is a laparoscopic. If the doctor perform open surgery means we need to there is a keyword called open incision, open incision. See here the laparoscopic orchiopexy. Left or right? First, let's see left or right. Testis with the hidden testis. This was diagnosed. Okay, cryptorchism after careful risk and benefits. Alternative agreed. Description of the procedure taping in the abdomen. General anesthesia was supine position and laparoscopic insert in the abdomen. Guide wire instruments or pass through the subcutaneous tissue down the level of tunica vaginalis and incised. The hidden testicle was explored. The portion of the epididymis was and left dissection was epididymis and reposition normal scrotum. Procedure was uneven. Abdominal steady steps. See here he, okay, let's see in the code 54670 or 54692. Let's go 5469. What is the procedure he performed? Orchiopexy, right? 5469. Intra-abdominal testis, laparoscopic surgical orchiectomy. See, 54692 is for orchiopexy itself. Laparoscopic surgical orchiopexy for intra-abdominal testis. Okay. Then 650. What is 650? 54650. Orchiopexy, abdominal approach, intra-abdominal test. It is an open procedure. No, he performed laparoscopic procedure, right? He performed laparoscopic procedure, which means this is an open procedure. 54670, 54670, suture of repair, not the suture, it is exact term, not at all suture. He performed orchiopexy. 54640 again. This 640, orchiopexy, inguinal or scrotal approach. Remember this. Okay, which approach? Okay, it is also open procedure, right? It is also open. In the in the in the in the in the book we are having cryptorchism post-operative. In the question it is telling laparoscopic orchiopexy. There is a single code we are having for the laparoscopic orchiopexy. There is a code will be code 5469. Those are all open process. Those are all open process. And it is also abdominal subcutaneous tissue to the level vaginalis and the hidden testicle. Instrument used to the subcutaneous tissue level of tunica vaginalis. Incision was portion of the epididymis was dissected and reaction portion of epididymis and dissected conformationally to free the testicle. Reposition from normal scrotum. Because only one code we are having for the abdominal ports. Here, it is a not inguinal approach. It is a abdominal approach. It is a inguinal approach. Orchiopexy, but it is, he said, abdominal approach. That's abdominal. Then same likewise do all the case studies. I explained today 5 case studies. If you want the more questions like this, more question explanation, 10,000, 20,000 series, okay, comment in your comment section, questions explanation. Then I will explain you the which series you want. 10K, 20K, I will explain you those series questions through my video. Thank you, everyone.